wearing his crime fighters too. I can see his balls.
You guys ready to make something happen right now, or not? We can just play a ballad if you want. We can just play a ballad. All right.
Roger, they're over 35, dude. It's gonna be what
Are you
it
gonna
is.
plug your guitar in? It's not plugged in. I'm looking at the wire hanging. If they're over 35, that's no excuse, man. You guys got to get at least 20 minutes of cardio every fucking day.
Cardio.
So.
Is that what your doctor told you?
Yeah, she sure did. The song's only 3 minutes. It goes like this. How is a pack of confidence? Been so many nights since we first met. Glad to see you brought all your friends for another night of plastic cup politics. Hello, Mr. Six-Pack of confidence. I'm glad to see you already met. Mr. Bounces of beliefs and Mr. Plastic Cup politics. I see under the influence of cold beer and the comfort of all your friends. And see Mr. Raphael has had his 40 ounce and will pass out. I have no doubt. So it's not yours. Clear up while you're here. I keep asking myself if they realize that their fears are really just the same as mine. Do you know all your insecurities? You never say, why is it all inside of me? Yes, people come and go. Do they know they're really not alone? And the life of my party just left. I guess I couldn't kill his emptiness. Like all who has. So drop your little glory in. Clear your clouded head. Here we are under the wasted night, and I am over on your side. 40 cents of bloodshot eyes, a plastic smile, smiles, white man's plastic, hopes will leave behind. It's just another night of plastic cup politics. Plastic cup politics. Plastic cup politics. Plastic cup politics. Drop time and a teacup. Clear planets.
Furnace Fest! Put your hands in the air for yourselves. Thank you very, very, very much.